If A and B are two symmetric matrices of same order, A and B are two symmetric matrices and they have the same order. Now why do we need same order matrices? We need same order matrices because this particular expression AB plus BA, AB plus BA will be defined only if A and B have the same order. This thing will be defined only if A and B have the same order. So I have written here that this expression is defined only if A and B have the same order. That's why they are of the same order. They are symmetric as well. So we have to prove that AB plus BA is also symmetric. If A and B are symmetric and they are of the same order, then AB plus BA is defined and it is symmetric also. We have to prove that it is symmetric also. Okay, so let us prove. If we prove that its transpose, if we prove that its transpose will be equal to the same matrix, if we prove that its transpose will be equal to the same matrix, then it will be symmetric. Okay, so AB plus BA whole transpose, let us take. Okay, now AB plus BA whole transpose is equal to AB whole transpose plus BA whole transpose. From which property is this written? By which property is this written? This is written by the property that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, so by this particular property this thing has been written. Okay, so AB plus BA whole transpose, by this property if we expand, then AB whole transpose plus BA whole transpose. Okay, whole means complete. Okay, WHOLE whole, WHOLE whole means complete. So this complete, this is complete. Okay, so AB whole transpose plus BA whole transpose. Now you already know that AB complete transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Okay, we change the order and we write like this. Okay, so AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose, and BA whole transpose will be A transpose B transpose. Okay, this is quite common sense thing. Now we already know that A and B are symmetric. So A transpose will be equal to A. So replace A transpose with A transpose with A, and B transpose is equal to B because B is also symmetric. So B transpose will be replaced by B transpose will be replaced by B. Okay. Now BA plus AB can be written as AB plus BA because addition is commutative. You can write here the property also. You can write here the property as well, that A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. You can write this property as well over here. Okay. So addition is commutative. Addition of matrices is commutative. As addition of matrices is commutative, so BA plus AB will be equal to AB plus BA. Okay. Now have a look. AB plus BA complete transpose. AB plus BA complete transpose is equal to AB plus BA. Now, looking at the definition of symmetric matrix, we can certainly say by the definition of symmetric matrix that AB plus BA is symmetric because its transpose is equal to the same matrix. So that's why we can say that AB plus BA is symmetric matrix. We can certainly say this thing.